line will come out. Oh boy, no. Alright, so it has been a week, kind of similar to last time. There was a heat wave and it was like 100, 101, 104, 100. So today it's the first day below 90 in a week. It's 85 and it's windy and it's so nice out, which is why I had to go outside briefly for that. Oh, by the way, I did some indigo dyeing, so my hands are very blue. It was much worse this morning. It's been slowly kind of wearing off on everything. So yeah, we're just dealing with that. I'm surprised it's not all over my face. Yeah, so the plan for this video, hopefully, and maybe we'll get some more done, but at the very least, upper cabinets are coming out and lower cabinets are coming out. I'm really hoping I can get this out intact, that I can save it and kind of modify it, but this all is coming out. So let's get working on that. Hopefully at least today we can get the uppers out. That should be relatively easy because I still have the Sawzall.
Don't make it hard. I wanna celebrate, you know. Our togetherness, both mind and flesh. Only we know how it goes. We know how it goes. Our togetherness, both mind and flesh. We know how it goes.
Alright, so the problem that I'm facing right now is that the propane line is way too tight. I can't get it off, and this is pretty much the only thing I have to try to loosen it. So it looks like it's a 1/2 inch copper pipe, and I have this copper pipe cutter. So I'm hoping this fits, because if I can just cut it right off, then it doesn't matter. I'm not planning on reusing these pipes, and I'm going to try to like take them out too as I'm going. So if it is the right size, this is perfect. Those do look quite a bit smaller though. But we'll get to that when we need to. Oh, no, too small. Fuck. What can I do? Looks like I'm just pulling it the wrong way. So close too. Can I just like yank it out? If it breaks, it breaks. Don't have, I think those are for plants. I'm gonna Google something. Okay, well, just to reinforce that the Sawzall is my favorite tool, it can cut through copper pipes, and obviously because it's not hooked up to propane, it hasn't been hooked up to propane in who knows how long, we're just going to cut through it with the Sawzall, and then I don't have to worry about it.
simple, girl, come on, follow me once. Oh, I don't play rough. You know where you got me around.
Oh boy, no.
Nothing to watch, nothing to dare. This crush is hard. I wanna celebrate, you know, our togetherness, both mind and flesh. Only we know how it goes. We know how it goes. Our togetherness, both mind and flesh. We know how it goes. Way down low. You don't need to be scared. I can be gentle. You don't need to stay that square. You're beyond compare.
Oh. So it's much cooler than it was this week, but it's still pretty dang hot.
I'm done looking over my shoulder. 'Cause past time won't help me getting over it. I don't know what I'm bringing in closer. Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you. Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken. Ooh, but it's a lonely calling. Yeah, it's a lonely calling.
Alright, I'm gonna call it a day. I am very sweaty, very covered in sawdust, and I just really want to shower. So I got a good plan of attack for tomorrow to get the rest of the upper cabinet out, and the top of this shouldn't be too hard to just like bump out because it's pretty loose already. I don't know if it was just glued or if it was screwed from under. Yeah, so see you tomorrow. Alright, it has been weeks since I've worked on the camper. The next video you've probably seen is all my market stuff, and if you've been following me and if you tuned into my live, you know that that happened, and that's why I got delayed. But I also got delayed because it was really freaking hot. Today is, I think it's like 82 or something, so it might be one of the last cool days in a while, and I do need to get into the routine of just working in the morning when it's coolest. So today is 4th of July and I have today off, so since it's luckily cooler, I am working on the camper, what I left off on in the last clip that you guys saw. This is going to be a part of that, but I thought we'd also make this kind of a chatty, maybe a chattier video with some updates, since it's been weeks since I have uploaded a video that was like updated. So yeah, so we'll take this down, have a nice little chat while we do it. Saying we as if you guys are moral support. You're not physical help, unfortunately, but I will happily take the moral support. So let's do this. Got the Rosie the Riveter kind of look going on since it's Independence Day, which I don't buy into, because especially now that my rights have been taken away, so not independence for me, but So yeah, sold my van. Took 6 months. Getting here without scratching myself. I sold it to a girl who was exactly the kind of person I wanted to sell my van to. At a certain point, I'm gonna do a story time about this, I stopped responding to men who were sending me messages. It got creepy, it got annoying and patronizing, and I just didn't want to deal with it anymore. So I was only responding to women, and this happened to be a young woman. I don't think she was more than 23, 24, which is actually exactly how old I was. I think I was 24 when I moved into my van. So I was really wanting the van to go to someone younger who was really excited for that kind of new adventure in their life.
I'm trying to fix what is broken. 'Cause my time is running out in the set. Ooh, I'm just a human in motion.
So yeah, she was super sweet, so excited, very shy. I was talking with her grandmother most of the time about the van and the vehicle records and that kind of thing. So that was about... Sorry, I feel like I'm not talking to you guys super well.
Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you. Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken.
So van sold 3 to 4 weeks ago, maybe 5 weeks, and I knew, or at least I hoped, that getting the next vehicle would be much faster than the 6 months it took to sell the van. And sure enough, I got a new vehicle yesterday. I drove about an hour and a half with my mom and got a pickup truck, 4x4. It's a Ford F-250 4x4 460 engine. I think it's a V8. And it's a long bed. So I'm hoping to get a camper, a different camper. I'm wanting to get a little truck camper. Come on. There we go. Oh, that opens that right up. That's nice. I don't think that was much support. I think that was decorative. Got it from a guy, I think the kid was like 18. I think he was selling it after high school, and he had it for less than a year, and the previous owner was the first owner. So it's so well taken care of. The kid's dad was what's the word? He was a highway patrol guy. I think I'm gonna have to take down this whole wall to get this cabinet out. How are you connected? Are you glued together? I think those are glued together. Damn it. Did not want to take this whole wall out. This is like thick. The plan is to get a truck camper that I can do trips on. I'm honestly kind of ready for a trip. Who knows how long it would be. Depends on how I'm feeling. A few different factors that are going into my feelings of being kind of ready to not be here anymore. All right, what I'm gonna do next is the counter. It looks like it's just glued in, so hopefully it's easy enough.
The signs, been feeling far away. 2 years in a couple of days. I just wave my hand to the world outside like it's all okay. I can't believe what my eyes have seen. I just woke up from a broken dream. Who can stop my hands from shaking? I need you to take them, and I don't wanna wait all night. I'm coming alive, and my senses are a little demented. Can this be right? Will you sit with me? Bring your little light. I've been down so long, I can't trust my sight. I'm sick of being so tired, and I can't keep avoiding the cure. It feels like my heart.
All right, I'm gonna call it. I just want to take a little break and think about what I want to tear down next, and I'm not ready to tackle the bathroom today, so that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching if you got this far, and if you're new here, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that, and please like the video and comment. It really helps me out as a little channel. Oh, and I'm also monetized. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and helping me get to this point. If you want to support, I have new things coming. I'm planning on launching a Patreon soon, but in the meantime, you can watch the ads that pop up on my videos now. Make sure you watch them to the end and don't skip, because that helps me out. Just gives me a little something. Right now, it's just minuscule, but it would be nice eventually for this to be built into something that I can do full time, and just create content for you all. And yeah, love you guys, and we'll see you next time.